Okay, I had some requests for section 3.2, some in pre-calculus, just some sample problems off here, so I thought we'd work through them. One of them is number 31, and the problem is f of x, you have f of x is log x, log 10x, and the value they want you to evaluate it with is x equal 4/5, and they say use the calculator. Now remember, the only kind of logs you can do on the calculator are log base 10 and log base e, which is your ln. So all you simply do is hit the log button on your calculator, and it's base 10. I mean, that's what's in the calculator when you hit log, and you just put 4 divided by 5 in parentheses, and you hit enter, and you get -0.0969100013. That means 10. What this really is, if you look at it, it means 10. Let me put this here. Let me round this to -0.097 just so that I don't have to recopy all that. 10 to the -0.097 power is 4/5. Is what you would say that actually means, because remember, a log is an exponent, so that's the exponent you'd put on the 10 in order to get 4/5. One that was asked about was number 37. 37 says log base 8 of x is equal log base 8 of 10 to the -1. Now, if you turn back, there's some log properties. If you look on page 200 in your book, the properties work the same way. Notice at the very bottom of the page, there's a blue box that says if ln x equal ln y, then x equal y. Well, this is the same thing here. If log 8 of x equal log 8 of 10 to the -1, that was a minus there, then basically if the log 8s are the same and these things are equal, and I mean the two expressions are equal, x has to be 10 to the -1. X and 10 to the -1 have to be the same thing. So just kind of look out for things like that when you're solving. Two equal quantities, if they're the same log base, have to be equal to each other. Last one was 41. For 41, it said it told you to use log properties. 3 log 2 of 1/2. They want you to evaluate it and or rewrite the expression or something like that. Well, now let's think about this. Let's just look at the log 2 1/2. Let's go off to the side and think about it. If you think about the log thing, it's 2 to some power is equal to 1/2. Well, what is that missing thing there? What that log, actually it's what log 2 to a half, log 2 of 1/2 is. Remember, that missing thing is the exponent that you would raise this 2 here to get the 1/2. Well, wouldn't it be -1? 2 to the -1 is 1/2. So this log 2 1/2, the exponent that's missing is this -1. If you remember, one of the things we said we could do is we could say, okay, when you get a log expression, label it log of A, B, C. It's an alphabetical log book. And to change it over, you say I, C, a B. And you go, well, my A was 2, my B was the 1/2, and it goes on the other side. And then the C was what was missing here. So it's a missing exponent. A log is a missing exponent. 2 to what power is 1/2? Oh, it was -1. So this expression over here is really just 3, and since log 2 of 1/2 is -1, we get 3 times -1 is -3.